Breaking news coming in. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat addressed the nation from the RSS headquarters in Nagpur, saying that no Indian should worry about the CAA. He went on to say that CAA does not oppose any particular religious community, but those who wanted to oppose this new law misled our Muslim brothers. Using CAA, opportunists, according to him, unleashed organized violence in the name of protests, unquote. Bhagwat also lauded India's response to China. Mustafa is getting us this particular story in just about a bit, but listening to what Mohan Bhagwat had to say first.
जो भारत के नागरिक है उनके लिए उसमें कुछ खतरा नहीं था। बाहर से जो आते हैं भारत में और नागरिक बनने की इच्छा उनकी है, तो उसके लिए भी कानून में पहले से प्रावधान है। ऐसे लोग भी बन सकते हैं वो पूरी प्रक्रिया करने के बाद। वो प्रक्रिया वैसी की वैसी है, उसमें कोई बदल नहीं है। परंतु अब कानून का विरोध भी करने वाले लोग थे, राजनीति में तो चलता ही है। उन्होंने ऐसा वातावरण बनाया कि इस देश की मुसलमानों की संख्या न बढ़े, इसलिए नियम लाया गया है। तो उसके चलते और उसका अच्छा विरोध शुरू हो गया, प्रदर्शन आदि होने लगे, देश के वातावरण में तनाव आ गया। उसका क्या उपाय करना है, इसका सोच विचार पूरा हो, कुछ कृति हो, इसके पहले वो सारा और दब गया कोरोना आने के कारण।
Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us. Mustafa, a lot of protesters are not going to be the ones that we saw, especially at Shaheen Bagh and many other places around the country, are not going to be extremely happy with what has been said by RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, because he has gone ahead and called them opportunists, saying that they're the ones who unleashed organized violence in the name of protests. What is the kind of political reactions that we are getting in on this particular story as he's made this particular statement?
He was speaking about the pre-COVID situation. What he was referring to, in fact, looks like was the Delhi riot which had taken place and in which all the accused which were booked. What he was saying is that there were large-scale protests which was being seen, and government was trying to, firefight this entire protest. And before that, the pandemic had come in. So the entire agenda of the BJP for the CAA took a back seat. So whether the BJP now revives it after Mohan Bhagwat's comment is something we'll have to wait and watch. Back to you, Chaiti.
All right, Mustafa, thanks so much for getting us those details right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.